Hi, this is Elle and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we're talking about the fastest 3 hairstyles. You all loved my last fast 3 hairstyles for busy moms, busy women, and so I got 3 more for you that will make you feel put together, and they're for all hair lengths about here and down. All right, so before we get started, hit that subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, so I'm coming at you real raw, okay? This is literally real life for me for this first one. So I just got done with the gym. I have to go to the grocery store and run some errands, but I want to look at least a little bit presentable. So what I'm going to do is, this is dirty hair. This hairstyle works best with severe, like dirty hair, like maybe 2 days. All right, so what I'm going to do is take your favorite dry shampoo. I love this one. This is by IGK. And I just really try to take some of that grease out of there. Also, if you have hair that's my length and my hair's not that thick, you're trying to also add volume in here so that when you do the next step after this, it looks fantastic. Okay. Then I'm going to take a little bit of texturizing spray. So again, Kristen S has a great texturizing spray. This one's by IGK. We're just trying to dirty up our hair even more, okay, and make it like kind of, I know this seems like a lot, but it'll make sense. Okay, so now that we have crazy hair, you kind of want to let those products just kind of dry for a quick second and massage it in. Now, what you're going to want to do is you want to style the front of your hair. So mine just basically does this, okay? Just that's what it does after it's been curled and kind of straight, okay? So what you want to do is you want to style the front of your hair. I feel like I need a little more texturizing spray right here. Okay, now there are so many ways that you can do this next look. You want to get yourself a couple of French hairpins, okay? These are by Kristen S. I think they were like 12 bucks at Target. You can get some on Amazon. You can get some all over the place. I'll link these ones in the description box, but I know they're hard to find. So what you're going to do is you're going to take half up, half down, like so. Let's see if I can see. Okay? Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. Half down. This actually works better if you have longer hair, too. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make a cute little bun, like so. And you can spread it and do whatever. Then take your hairpin facing down, and you want to weave it through. Okay? Now, if you have thicker hair, you can also just leave it half up, half down like that because it's really pretty. But I'm going to go like this and do a second one. Again, this does not have to be perfect. Kind of open this up a little bit, facing down, and weave it through. All right, so that is as easy as that. Then I just kind of pull these down. If you wanted to, you could, you know, kind of loosen this up, bring this up. You can actually, if you have curly hair, you can let the kind of tendrils come down right here. But how pretty and quick is that? I mean, you guys, I got these recently and have been doing this every single day. You also can do a beautiful French twist with them. Just basically twist your hair up into one. It's gorgeous. So trust me, you guys. It will, like, I get so many compliments on these. They're like, what is that? Those are really pretty. I've never seen them before. So you know that you'll be out running around, your hair will be out of your face, and you'll have something nice in the back of your hair to make you feel a little bit special while you're doing your mom chores. All right, on to the next one. Okay, so for this hairstyle, it's actually going to be rather quick. But find your favorite ribbon. You can use a colorful ribbon. You can use whatever one you want. I actually have my ribbon from my Hardware Beauty vegan brush rolls, which I'll list below if you care to add them to your collection. They say my signature on it, which is kind of weird, but I love them. But this is going to be a great way to keep literally your hair in place all day, You'll never need to touch it. There's not one thing you need to do. It'll take you about 5 minutes in the morning and your hair will be perfect. Have a little bit of something special. Okay, so let's do it. So I part my hair on this side. You can absolutely part it in the middle if you want to, if that's how you do it. It's best for people that have medium length hair. You could definitely do it if you have longer hair, but at least probably my length, which hits right about here. I just had my hair cut. Okay, so you're gonna put it into 2 sections. I'm gonna turn around for this. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. These hair videos are so hard because I'm just such a professional hair person, which I'm not, I'm joking. Okay, so we put our hair into 2 lovely pieces, okay? My part is never straight, so don't worry about it, okay? You can also do this when your hair is wet. So you're gonna take, easy peasy, 2 pigtails, okay? Like this. You want to pull the pigtail more towards your ear. Just like that. And you can totally brush your hair, but like, I mean, you know what I mean? Like to make it really smooth, but I don't got time for that. This is great for the homeschooling mom or the run around town. I gotta run to work real quick. They need to be on the base of your neck right here. Now you're gonna take the end of one of your ribbons, feed it through your rubber band, another end of your ribbon, feed it through your rubber band. So you have them like so. Then you're going to braid each one and keep the ribbon in one of your hands, okay? Just like this. Okay, I'm gonna finish off the braid down here like so. This actually would be a beautiful wedding hairstyle too for like bridesmaids or the actual bride. Okay, now you're gonna cut your ribbon to the length of your hair. Do not cut your hair, please. Ta-da! Okay, now pull this one in front like this. What you're gonna do is you're going to go up and over this guy, like so, and you're gonna pin it. You don't want to pull too hard. Then you can just kind of stick that up there. And then you can pull apart your braid a little bit. Yes? Is it translating? Okay. And then you're going to braid the other one. Okay, so we're down to the end. You can also separate your braid here too, so you're just going to pull pieces out so that it's a little looser. So if your hair isn't as thick, like mine isn't very thick, and you want it to kind of be thicker in the background, you just kind of pull pieces out. Okay, you can do the same thing. Wrap it underneath and around. Tuck that bad boy in. Yes, tuck it in, okay? And then you're going to pin on top. You're going to kind of pin all of this kind of up. All right, so this is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? And imagine if this was colored, or this could be even sparkly, and you would see it kind of run through it. And it's just something special, you know what I mean? Now that we're, you know, kind of more at home and not going like out as much to do like to work and things, although this would be perfect for work, it's fun to kind of have a good hairstyle that will keep up all day. I just spray all of this, make sure it stays, make sure it doesn't feel like it's loose anywhere. But I just thought this was so pretty, and I literally did this morning just for like 5 minutes, and it turned out so gorgeous, and I am in love with it. So that is a look for the woman on the go, and I hope you enjoyed it. Here's the next one. All right, you ready for another look? Okay, so this is so easy, you guys. I saw this on Instagram. My girlfriend, Autumn Houston, owns a salon in San Diego, and she did this. So this is not for me, but this is something that I do often. Do you want the most amazing curls in the morning? It can be used for my hair length or even a little shorter, but it can also be used for really long hair if you have it. Okay, all you need is a rubber band. and a scrunchie. That's it. Okay, so what you're gonna do, oh, I have one earring in. Can you tell I'm ready for bed? So this is actually that you're gonna do at night. If your hair is damp, you can do it as well. I like to do it just if my hair is, you know, fairly clean. I just washed it yesterday, and it has nothing in it. Just this is what my natural texture looks like. Kind of frizzy, kind of whatever. So you're gonna sleep like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull your hair up into a high pony, okay? High pony. Try to get as much as you can up in that bad boy, and you want to bring it on top of your head. And you want to secure it with a rubber band, just like this, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take your scrunchie, and if you want this to be tighter curls, then you want to wrap it around twice. If you have longer hair, you want to wrap around one time. You want to split the hair in two pieces. You want to take this piece and you want to, I'm trying to show you guys, you know I'm not a hair tutorial person, so I'm sorry, but you guys got to try this. You want to wrap it underneath the scrunchie, all the way around, until it is wrapped in it. Okay? Yes, we're doing it, and we're doing it. Make sure that you tuck your ends in if you want that to be a complete curl. So I hope you can see that. So we just have it like this, wrapped around, and then you take the other piece and do the exact same thing. I start in the back where the other one met. So my hand's on this side, and you go under. And again, you're literally just wrapping it and wrapping it all the way around. Okay, yes? So we have a little funky bun looking thing, okay? It does not have to be neat, okay? It just has to be able to stay. And you can leave this loose if you want to, if you want, like, you know, this part's gonna be straighter up here, okay? So the harder you pull it, like taut, the more that you're going to have up here. I like it to be a little bit loose. Now you can also spray your hair with a little bit of hairspray first. You can also put like a gel or a mousse in your hair at first if it doesn't hold a curl really well. Mine does, you know, and it kind of looks good throughout the day as it kind of falls out. So the big reveal will be in the morning. I'll see you then. Are you ready? Good morning. So here we are. I look real crazy, okay? Whenever you wake up, this is what you're gonna look like. So things are probably falling out, no big deal, whatever. Okay, so here's your bun. So all you do is just take it out. Okay, taking it out, unwrapping the hair, if I can. Look at, you can already see how curly it is. Okay, so this is what you're left with. I should make that into like a new hairstyle. Now, if you really wanted to, you could take the hair that came out and curl it. But we're talking about moms that don't have time in the morning, which is me a ton of times. So I'm just going to go like this, separate it. You can brush it if you want. You don't have to. And you can see how amazing this would be for longer hair too. My pieces that didn't curl get hidden underneath here so it doesn't bother me. And that's literally what I do. Isn't that crazy? Pop some earrings on, a little bit of lip gloss. I already have my SPF on. Maybe curl your lashes, a little mascara. And you are done. Look at this. I just am obsessed. I'm obsessed with doing this at night. And I didn't wake up with a headache. I didn't, you know, nothing hurt. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed these quick hairstyle looks. Hope they inspire you and cut some of your time out in the morning. Please comment below which one was your favorite, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves. You guys, literally, this is the easiest hairstyle ever. You know those moms that go and drop off their kids in the morning and you're just like, how is your hair done already? Like, why do you look amazing at God knows what hour? This is it.